What's up, KJ family? Welcome back to our channel. Today,
guys,
I decided to take our little family for a picnic thing. Just random, you know. Just going out for a picnic, you know, doing something different. Get out of the house for a little bit, you know. There ain't much to do, so you know, gotta enjoy the small things. So yeah.
We're looking for a place to just chill and throw our blanket to make a little picnic with the family.
Yeah, I guess we'll see you guys there.
We're here, guys. We're walking in through the entrance
Thing.
Yeah.
Dude, you don't have a steady hand at all.
I know, because I'm walking and I don't have any tripod. We don't have our actual camera on us, so we're vlogging with our phone. And yeah.
Show them around.
Yeah, I'll show you guys the whole way, because I'm not gonna be talking the whole way. I'm gonna be out of breath. Anyway, let's go.
Ali.
So there's no picnic area up there as we thought. We didn't remember too much up there.
So we're back at this area right here, and we're just
here and set up our stuff here. We brought some hot dogs. Show them. What
some
I got.
great value buns.
Some buns.
She's
We got
excited.
some chips.
Chips or chips?
Chips. We got the hot dogs on deck here. We got some fruit, oranges, chocolate covered strawberry.
That she made at home.
We got the whole ketchup here. And the whole, jumbo size. You need a lot of it. Yeah, oh, and water. We can't forget the water. So, let's set up now. Just gonna...
Didn't you bring cheese dip?
No, I did not.
Or napkins?
No, I did not.
And we're just gonna set it up. Oh,
We have,
we're literally gonna set it up in the walkway.
Yep.
Literally.
Nobody around us, so might as well use it, right?
I guess.
Right, Arling?
And then we're gonna enjoy the view over here. The view. My view. Oof. Evelyn looks so little on camera.
Girl, you go open and drop the hot dog.
And you're still gonna eat them.
Yeah, because this is what we got to eat.
I thought we was just gonna set it up here on the bench.
No, we're gonna sit here. Right, Evelyn? It's dusty, but
I'll take a hot dog.
it'll be fine. We packed up. We're ready to go now. Yeah. Do you
Random
want
video.
this to be the end of the video?
Hope you guys liked it. So,
if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and join the K&J family. Alright guys, so see you guys in the next video.
Peace.